Oh, hey. This is our van.
Yeah, we're going to take the battery out and trickle charge it and see if it can actually hold any juice.
And Pete's going to tell me what to do so I can actually get my hands dirty because I just got my nails done. And they're sparkly.
Jerry, it's supposed to be a video about doing the car, not your nails. Do you have the key?
No, that's a good place to start, isn't it? I'll go get that. Peter gave me gloves to protect my really nice fingernails. And if anybody's in Bridport, it's the Painted Nail in Bedminster. They're great there. They're so lovely. Can we see from this angle that also, this is the window. I ordered this window the same day that we won the bid on this van, and they actually tried to deliver it yesterday. So that was super speedy delivery, £75, and it included the delivery cost. It's really impressive.
Whoa, 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 the camera's on there.
Well, that was easier than it should have been, or than I made it look. Okay, so
we've got the wrong battery in there, but it would be good to charge it up to see if it's the battery and not anything else.
One of these guys? Yes, excellent. Let me put this back on the ground. Is that the one that is not gonna... That's not big enough.
There is an adjustable one in there.
Okay, there we go. Do we? Oh, yeah.
No, it's just because I know what I'm looking for and I don't know how to describe it.
So this is not a DIY tutorial. This is a vlog channel, and it's for good reason.
Probably more a what not to do channel.
So I guess if you're tuning into this, you've already seen the vlog that we put out about retrieving this van from London. And we teased a bit about what we're going to be using this for. This is actually... Does it go back the other way?
Yeah, you have to push it, so I'm doing it, aren't you?
Okay, can you just show me? Sorry.
It's very tight. Why is that so tight?
I'm glad it wasn't just me. Does it need some WD-40? Sorry, I'll continue telling you what I was telling you guys before. So if you've guessed that we're going to be converting this into a kind of camper van, you would be correct. But our camper van is going to be a bit different from most people's because we're designing this entirely around being able to use it as a touring van for acoustic musicians. At the end of this, we should have a van that fits a PA system, a bass guitar, a acoustic guitar, and everything that you would need for a little acoustic tour of the UK underneath a permanent bed in the back where somebody who's as tall as Pete can comfortably sleep.
But no taller.
But no taller because this thing is tiny. The idea being that this is going to make touring the UK sustainable not only for us, but also for artists who are specifically hoping to travel over, who are looking for a one-stop shop where they can get a van that they can take and comfortably drive around the roads because the roads here are crazy. And if you're not used to driving on the left-hand side, right side? Right side.
The correct side.
If you're not used to driving the small British roads, this van is really small and compact, so it won't be intimidating, and it's a chance for artists to be able to rent all of the kit that they would need to do an acoustic tour over here so that they don't have to travel with their own instruments, and so that they can have a pickup from the airport in the vehicle that they're going to be driving, and they can use it at an affordable price point. So we're looking to provide basically what I was looking for when I first started touring over here. So that's the game plan. We're going to test it out ourselves this May, and we might have a few of our artist friends take it on the road to test it out for us so that we can get some feedback. That's the concept for this van.
Okay.
Yeah, you want me to do it now that you've done all of the hard part?
No, it's really hard, but I'm going to get you to do it so you can get the full experience of being frustrated with these kinds of things.
Just like that?
Yeah.
I can see why this is frustrating. Pliers.
I mean, yes, but not on video.
Oh, is that not what you're supposed to do because it's dangerous?
No, you just get your people like your dad going, that's not the right tool for the job.
We're really lucky with the weather today as well. If we didn't have to actually get some jobs done that have some deadlines, video editing work for some other clients, we would 100% be trying to install this window, but I think that's going to have to wait for maybe Friday or Saturday of this week. 17 minutes of me talking. I'm going to have to edit all of this. Uh-oh.
Can I give you a bit of a tip? Don't drop the tool in the engine. I think it's important to mention that I have little to no experience with cars. I'm going to put the little battery clip that holds the battery down back in the toolbox, just so I remember later.
Just lift it.
Don't touch the metal bits.
Shit, it's heavy. Good thing my back's doing better. Oh wow, this is really heavy. You getting my butt?
I am now.
Connect the positive charging lead red to the positive terminal post of the battery. So red to positive here, yeah? Okay. Connect the negative charging. Well, I did assume that was the case, but I didn't just want to do it. Okay. Warning, always disconnect the mains plug from the AC mains socket before disconnecting the appliance to or from the battery. I read that out, and I didn't listen to anything that I said. Did you understand that?
Read it again.
I just did the voiceover thing where I'm like, I'm gonna read it like I know what I'm talking about. So I have to unplug this and then unplug this. A beep sound will indicate that the unit is switched on. There was zero beep. New game plan is we're gonna have to order a new battery and install that one, and tickety boom, car should be ready to go. Yeah? Sound like a game plan?
No.
We're back 2 days later. The battery's been on charge for those 2 days. We're gonna plug it back into the van, and we're hoping that this starts.
Before we connect it all up, I'm just going to clean the ports.
And Peter gets to drive the van for the first time.
The ports are so dirty.
Yeah, that's what my dad was saying, that would maybe have an effect.
Could do. Well, it looks like it was grease, but the grease has all got all dirty and they kind of slathered it on the port. I mean, it stopped corrosion, it's just a different type of dirt.
Yeah.
That's going to affect the connectivity. Get some WD-40 in a minute.
Do you want me to go find it?
Yeah.
Look, I've got a job I can actually do. Exciting.
It's on the shelf with all the paint and stuff. So all we need to do is just spray the ports. It's good. Right, clean the posts. I'm going to get a new battery anyway, but... What size one did you use? Do you remember? Definitely screwing that the wrong way. Cool, 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 cool. I'm not going to tighten it all the way because we're going to have to take it off again. I took the tools out and I can't find the other bit. Where did we put the other bit?
Cool, cool.
Classic me, innit? Classic me. Might have to watch the video to see where I put. I'm going to put the little battery clip that holds the battery down back in the toolbox. It's right there. You kidding me? Don't drop the tool in the engine.
Do you drop it?
Yep.
I'll go find it.
So where the frick's the dipstick on this thing? My Christmas present from you from last year. It's wedged in there. The magnet won't pick it up. The lights are on.
Yeah.
You need to wait a minute or two. So it went down to 9. I don't think that's good.
Okay.
So we'll get a new battery anyway.
Peter, how does it feel?
Feels good. Kind of fitting.
Oh, the seat goes back.
the license. Probably should have just checked the battery, but it's not the right battery anyway. HSB 075.
Yeah, the one that I was looking at on eBay was like 45 pounds.
No problem.
Thank you so much. Woo. Yes. I love it. Maybe
we need to get some of them in the new year for our car. So if you don't know much about cars yourself and you're wanting to top up your coolant, check what colour it is, because apparently you don't want to mix the blue one and the red one together because it will just create a really viscous jelly. Make sure you're putting in the same colour.
same color.
Same colour. Well, this guy said that if we're going to be draining it out, because it's green and it needs to be either blue or red, top up with some deionized water, because that's not going to do any damage to the coolant system, but it's going to top up the fluid, and then we can drain it and put the right stuff in. We wouldn't be able to drain it if it was jelly.
That's the importance of speaking to people who actually have experience with what we're looking to buy. We probably would have gone to the computer, looked at the one that was suggested, which was this one here, and that looks like it's got red fluid in it. We would have put the wrong one in for sure, and we probably would have killed our coolant system. So thank you, Halfords.
And don't be a me where you feel like you should know this stuff already and feel too proud to ask, because I could have f***ed up our vehicle there because I don't know about this stuff.
We're gonna fit it. Thank you.
113.98.
Brill. Amazing. Thank you so much.
That's all right. No
Happy
worries.
holidays.
And you.
Cheers.
Thank you very much.
That looks like a very nice battery.
It's that halfway between the frickin' ratchet nut.
I mean, ultimately, they're doing it to themselves. Like,
Why not make it a bit easier? Because they've got to fix them too.
Maybe that's why they do it though, to ensure that they're always gonna have a job to do.
you can put the deionized water in while we've got this open.
And it's just below the line. You're good. Eventually, we're going to take this to the garage and we're going to get them to give it a once over, probably change the oil, and we'll get them to flush the coolant out and replace it with the proper coolant at that time. Pete's got a makeshift little tie over here.
Yeah, any self-respected van is going to have a couple of bodges here and there to stop rattles. And I think that just keeps that in place for now until we get a clip.
Job done. We still don't know where the dipstick is. Well done.
Good boys.